Well, here we are at Plaza Colonial at the corner of Skyline and Sunrise in Tucson, Arizona. And there is the sculpture that I asked you all to find. It's been relocated from Oracle and Rudisill in front of Miguel's restaurant to this place in front of the Tavolino. And there is this sculpture that is quite tall. It's about 6 feet. And it was created for a solar project. These panels light up at night. And this is called the Milagro because going all the way around it are these symbols of Milagros. And what a wonderful place for it to find its new home here at Plaza Colonial. I appreciate very much that it has found a new home and hope that you all will come out into this plaza up here. A lot of great shops. And see this beautiful sculpture for yourself.